Dear students, welcome you all to LMS Digital Learning Classes, session number 35. In this session, we will learn about the methods of accounting in joint venture. Second method is memorandum accounting method. Methods of accounting in joint venture. So we have three different methods to record the transactions related to joint venture. First one is when each co-venture records the transaction of joint venture. Second method is called as memorandum joint venture account. Third method is where each co-venture agrees to keep the separate set of books. So this chart will give you the clear picture about the different methods of joint venture account. Number one, when separate set of book is not kept, so there are two different methods in this. Each co-venture records the transaction of joint venture, and the second one is called as memorandum joint venture method. On the other hand, so we have when separate set of books is kept. So under this method, so there will be three accounts are prepared: joint bank account, joint venture account, and co-venture account. In this session, we will discuss about the theoretical part of memorandum joint venture account and the journal entries related to this method. Under the memorandum joint venture account method, each co-venture will record only the transactions relating to joint venture which are directly concerned with him or her and not those of others. So under this method, each co-venture will record the transactions related to him. Each co-venture opens a joint venture account including the name of the other co-venture. The heading of the account is joint venture account with name of the co-venture account. The joint venture with name of the co-venture account is the personal account and it does not show any profit or loss. Memorandum joint venture method. So under this method, mainly there are two accounts which are prepared. One is memorandum joint venture account and joint venture account with co-venture account. Memorandum joint venture account is just like trading and profit and loss account. All the co-ventures prepare the same memorandum joint venture account. The balance amount of the memorandum joint account shows either profit or loss on the joint venture. Journal entries in memorandum joint venture account method. When goods are purchased by, suppose a joint venture is between Mr. A and B. When goods are purchased by A, the journal entry is joint venture account with B debtor to cash account. When goods are sold by A, the entry is cash account debtor to joint venture account with B account. When commission is received by A, the journal entry is joint venture with B account debtor to commission account. When A meets the expenses, when A incurs the expenses, the journal entry is joint venture account with B debtor to cash account. When unsold goods are taken by A, the journal entry is purchase account debtor to joint venture account with B account. Next we will see, so what is the journal entry for sharing profits in the agreed ratio? So when co-ventures share the profits in agreed ratio, the journal entries for sharing profit in the books of A, the entry is like this: joint venture with B account debtor to profit and loss account, whereas in the books of B, joint venture with B account debtor to profit and loss account. So this is the simple format of memorandum joint venture account. So you can see the debit side, purchase account, so total purchases by P and Q. Expenses account, so total expenses by P and Q. Here P and Q are the co-ventures. Commission received by P and Q. To credit side you can observe sales account, total receipt by P and Q. Debtors, credit sales, P and Q. Assets taken over by the co-ventures by P and Q. Assets account stock withdrawal, so it's also recorded after closing the entry. So if there is a credit balance in the memorandum joint account, so it is called as profit and it is distributed between P and Q in the agreed ratio.